Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve linear inequalities and solve and write the answer in the form of interval and solution set. Okay, so what we have here is another kind of inequality, whether we have something less than another thing. So we have three things over here, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah? So we have to split them lah. Yeah. So this one, we have this red part. Okay, and then we separate them over here. -4 less than equal x minus 2. Okay, and then the green part over here, x minus 2 less than equal 6. Okay, and then when we separate them, okay, we have to put intersection between them. Why intersection symbol? Because the red part and the green part of the inequalities must both be true, okay, in order for the whole thing to be true. Okay, they happen at the same time. Okay, so we have to put intersection between them. It means both must be true. Okay, so let's solve them separately. So maybe I write back over here. I turn them around. Put the x, just switch the sides here, and then x greater than -2. Okay, that's the red part. The green part, this one lah, only that. Okay, now next step is to use a number line to solve these inequalities. So we have -2 over here, and then it's a dense circle going to the right. So this is the arrow. Meanwhile, for 8, it's over here, and then it's a dense circle because we have equal sign, and then going to the left. Now, for this one, we are looking for the intersection between these two lines. Okay, so what does it mean by intersection? It means that both must exist. Both must exist. Okay, both red and green must exist. Then we take as the answer. Okay, so let's have a look. We have let's have a look in 3 separate intervals. Okay, the first one is from 8 to positive infinity. This is the first region that we have to look whether the existence of line, both or either one of them. Okay, the second one is this one, from -2 to 8, and last from -infinity to -2. Okay, so let's look one by one. So from positive infinity to 8, there's only one red line. We want both to exist, then we consider as the answer. So we are not taking this interval. Okay, let's have a look at the second one, from -2 to 8. You see over here, in this interval, we have the green line and also the red line. Okay, therefore, we are taking this as our answer. Yeah, okay. Lastly, we look at the last region, -infinity to -2. Only green line exists. So we cannot take this interval as our answer because we want both to exist. Yeah? So we are not taking this. So the answer is -2 to 8. This one lah, -2 to 8. Okay, and then we look over here at the line, at the intersection of the points. Okay, so on top of 2, for red is a dense circle. For green, it's a dense circle as well. Okay, so dense circle. Then maybe I use green color over here. So dense circle intersect with a red circle. Red dense circle lah for green and red, equals to dense circle. Yeah. Okay, and then we use this bracket lah. Okay. Next we look at 8. Okay, intersection between the green dense circle and red dense circle, same thing as well. So we have this bracket. So this is the interval. The the set notation is this one lah. Minus 2 include minus 2 and 8. Okay, this one. So this is the answer for the first part. Okay, let's have a look at the second question. Okay, so this one, same thing as well. So this one, we write over here, minus 4 less than 2 minus 3x. Okay, and then this one, 2 minus 3x less than 11. Okay, and then intersection between them. Okay, and then we solve them. This one, we rewrite it like this. Same thing also. Tak apalah. Okay, so minus 3x greater minus 6. Okay, and then we have to multiply by minus 1, both sides. So we have 3x less than 6. Then we have x less than 2. Okay, why we change the sign? Because we multiply the inequalities by minus 1. Okay, for this one, minus 3x less than 11, 11 minus 2, 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay, this one also the same thing lah. We have to multiply by minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So 3x greater minus 9. Okay, and then we divide by 3. We divide by a positive number, no need to change already the sign. So minus 3. Okay, so for this one, same thing also. Okay, we draw a number line. Okay, I scroll a little bit down lah. Okay, minus 3 first lah. Minus 3 is over here. And then it's a empty circle with an arrow to the right of the circle. Okay, and then 2 is over here. And then it's also a empty circle to with an arrow to the left. Less than correct. Okay, now we are looking for the intersection. Means both must have. Okay, so for this one, we have 3 separate areas that we are looking. This is the first one, minus a positive infinity to 2. Okay, the second one is from 2 to minus 3. And the third area that we are looking for is minus 3 until minus infinity. Okay, so let's have a look at the first one over here. Okay, so put box again. You see, how many lines do we have? We only have green line. So, one line only is not both. So, we are not taking this as our solution. Okay, now, the second one, the middle one, we have the red one over here and also the green one. We have both. So, we are taking this as our answer. Okay, now, let's have a look at the third one. We only have the red one. So, we are not consider this as our answer. So, our solution lies from minus 3 until 2. Okay, now next we are determining the type of bracket that we are going to use. Okay, so we are looking at the circles over here. So, for the green one over there, we have an empty circle. Empty circle. Empty circle on the red. Meanwhile, on the red one is a dense circle. Okay, dense circle over there. Okay, so a dense circle of red intersect with an empty circle of the green one. Okay, equals empty circle. So it means it means it's not included lah. Minus 3 is not included. Okay. Settle. Okay, I padam everything. Okay. Now, let's have a look over here. Okay. We look the intersection of empty circle of the red over here. Okay. And then with a dense circle that inside the line over here. So, empty circle of the red intersect with the dense circle of the green one equals the same thing, which is empty circle. So, it means 2 is not included in the answer as well. Okay, so this is the interval, the answer in interval form. So the solution set is X, whereby minus 3 not include X, include 2. Okay, so this is the answer lah for both of the forms. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.